I'm doing a simple review of a LED switch. I bought this from Harbor Freight, LED wall light switch, like this. Is the back, and here, use two AAA batteries. And let me turn on the switch. Pretty bright. It's good for a place like this closet. Have no light on the top, and you put it on here. So that's where you hang the switch on the wall. And let me show you how I did. Give me a sticker like that. And I put a screw on the wall, and behind, see, it has two holes. And use one of the holes, and two tapes attached to here, and the hose go in there and stick onto it. And the switch itself is kind of hard to push. It's not that easy. So when you push it down, it's easier to push it down, but when you push it up with the hole, the top here, you push it up. And the light itself is pretty bright. I'll show you when it's dark how it looks like. This is the room. It's so dark. And turn it on much brighter. Turn it off. Turn it on. The downside, you have to hold this to turn it on up, otherwise the whole thing came off. That's why there's tape. Try to hold this together so it won't come off, even though you put the screw on the wall. Alright, that's the LED light switch. Thanks for watching.